You know, sometimes life feels really heavy. We go through struggles, heartbreaks, failures, and in those moments, it feels like everything is falling apart. But let me tell you something, Allah never allows pain in your life without a purpose. Every difficulty, every tear, every sleepless night, it's not random. It's a part of His plan. Allah says in the Quran, indeed, with hardship comes ease. Not after hardship, with hardship. Meaning, inside every struggle, there's already a seed of relief. A seed of a new beginning. Think about it. The times when you felt broken, weren't those the same moments that pushed you closer to Allah? That made you pray with more sincerity. That made you realize what truly matters. You see, struggles are not punishments. They are turning points. They are hidden gifts. Because Allah wants to transform you. He wants to remove the things holding you back and replace them with something better. So if right now you feel lost or stuck, remember this. Your pain is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new chapter written by Allah Himself. Trust His timing. Trust His wisdom. And keep moving forward. Because the same struggle you are crying over today may be the exact thing that leads you to the best days of your life tomorrow. And Allah knows what we don't. Don't forget to subscribe for more Islamic reminders, motivational content.